Hello, everyone. Today we'll learn how to use three important Japanese verbs: あげます, くれます, and もらいます. These verbs are essential for talking about giving and receiving in Japanese. Let's get started. あげます means to give when the speaker or someone else gives something to another person. The giver is the speaker or a third person, and the receiver is someone else. Use あげます when the giver is moving something away from themselves. Let's see some examples. 私は友達にプレゼントをあげます. I give a gift to my friend. ヤンダンさんは店長さんに本をあげました. Mr. Yamada gave a book to Mr. Tanaka. Use あげます when the giver is moving something away from themselves or their group. くれます means to give when someone gives something to the speaker or to someone in the speaker's group. The giver is someone else, and the receiver is me or someone close to me. Use くれます when the action is directed towards you. Let's see two examples. 友達が私にプレゼントをくれました. My friend gave me a gift. ヤンダさんが妹にケーキをくれました. Mr. Yamada gave my younger sister a cake. Here we use kuramashita since my younger sister belongs to the close group I am in this context. もらいます means to receive when the speaker or someone in their group receives something from someone else. The receiver is the speaker or someone close to the speaker. Use もらいます to focus on the receiving side of the action. Let's look at two examples. 私は友達にプレゼントをもらいました. I received a gift from my friend. ミトは山田さんにケーキをもらいました. My younger sister received a cake from Mr. Yamada. Here note that we use moraimashita as the speaker's younger sister belongs to his close group. In this lesson, we learned how to use あげます くれます and もらいます. These verbs are very useful in conversations about giving and receiving. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Scholastic. Imaging the knowledge? Scholastic.teachable.com